Hello everybody, this is Dr. Juntunen from Advanced Chiropractic in Houston, Texas, and today we're going to work on our massage therapist, Joseph.
Yeah.
He has a low back complaint that's bugged him for a little while, and we're going to go through our adjustment protocols for him today. So,
Okay.
Are you ready, Joseph?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Get you plugged in, get that hip right close to that pin.
So we now have
We're going to lock you in.
two new team members here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, Dr. Eric Juntunen and also Joseph, as our new massage therapist, and he does deep tissue myofascial release.
Teeth together. Do that breath again. Exhale. Relax. Very good. Alright. Got a pretty
Very good.
Breathe. Breathe.
Yeah.
You alright, sir?
Yeah.
Alright.
So Dr. Juntunen adjusts me, and as you can see, adjusts
Alright. I'm going to get your neck for
very
you.
similarly to how I adjust. So when patients come in, they can get consistent treatment.
One more this way. Very good. Flexible that way. A little better on that side.
Yeah, that was good. I can hear those. I know they heard those.
You okay, sir?
Oh, yes, sir.
Alright, just stay right there for me a moment, Joseph. I'm going to pull your legs. Alright, I want you to relax your thigh for me. You probably feel this through the ankle, through the knee, all the way to the hip. We're going to get a high level pull. Try to relax for me. Very good. One more over here. Relax your thigh muscles. Side felt a little tighter. Joseph, I want you to bend your knee for me. We're going to do a little stretch. Can you let your leg roll out to the side? I'm going to stabilize your pelvis for you.
You've been here before, right, Peter?
Stretch out your adductors a little bit here. You okay? Very good.
I could probably get you in this afternoon. Hey, can you call me back on my direct line in about 5 minutes?
Try to relax
I'm trying to
again.
get my computer
There we
up.
go. I believe that moved a little better. Can I sit you up?
Did you want to come in
Joseph,
today?
if you'll come over here for me. Put your face down.
Today's going to be the only day I have an opening. I think
Just
it's
relax your
going to
arms
be
right
later
off
in the
the sides.
afternoon,
Once your
and then the
shoulders
next one would
loose,
be,
a little
because
bit
you've
of
been
down
here before,
pressure.
correct?
See how your upper back's doing today.
The next one would be on
Here's a
Monday the
little adjustment.
25th at 3 o'clock.
Alright.
Oh, 713?
Let's move very easy.
416 2931.
Alright, Joseph, a little down pressure on your pelvis and your hip.
Yeah, give me a call back in 5 minutes and get you done, taken care of. My computer's off, and it's just now coming back up, so it'll be a while before I can even get there. So call me back. All right, thanks, Peter. Bye.
Alright, I got to the end of it. Okay, very good. Alright, Joseph, will you turn, or actually sit up for me, if you'll face toward Dr. Johnson. We're going to check your arms for you. Make sure your elbows are good. Joseph works out, obviously, and working on his massage therapy patients. He gets a really good muscle workout. These strong little arms of his, tongue-in-cheek, big arms of his.
Yeah, I was going to say, not that
Get
small.
some abuse. All right,
Nice good shoulder adjustment.
and we're going to check your other side. Thumb moved, wrist moved. Fingers are clacking. All right, very good. Elbows going to full extension. And we're going to try a little stretch on this shoulder as well. Okay right there? Very good. All right, easy little stretch. All right, Joseph, how do you feel, sir?
Feels wonderful.
All right.
Great.
So once again, this is Dr. Juntunen and Joseph with Dr. Johnson from Advanced Chiropractic in Houston, Texas. See y'all next time.
Yep.